I'm going to show you guys how to hold the resolve. If the Windows Shift and S key combination is not working properly for the snip and sketch utility, so this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do to resolve this problem is open up the search menu, type in settings, best result, check them back with settings, go ahead and open that up. You want to select system, and now on the right side, you want to go and slide to notifications. And now you go underneath notifications and actions, or notifications from apps and other senders. If you see snip and sketch in here, you want to go toggle it off and then on again. So if you see anything in there with snip and sketch or snipping tool, go ahead and toggle that off and then back on again. So that's the first thing I recommend taking a look at here, guys. Another thing you might want to look at if you close out of here, open up your search menu and type in print screen where it says use the print screen key to open screen capture. Go ahead, open that up, and where it says use the print screen to open screen capture. Make sure that is toggled to the on position here. So if it's turned off, you may want to turn that on again. That would be underneath accessibility as well. So it just was a little fucking for me. Just open up the search menu and find it that way. But pretty sure for process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.